completely deserted hotel. I mean, look at this beautiful pool. I don't understand that. Mega sized pool, man. Look, there's still deck chairs. Literally beachfront. There's a swing. Wow, that's deep. Look at it. Look at that. Wow. Look how mad this is. Oh my god, look. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a proper nice shower. Chang Park Resort and Spa. Would have been lovely back in here, back in the day. Ooh. Traction ain't the best. Oh wow, man. Wonder why this place is completely abandoned. Just don't want anyone to see me. How crazy is this? Wow, these ones have got balconies. Wow. Mad, what a waste. What a waste. It's tropical paradise. Bible there. Oh, fucking hell, I shook myself then. Ugh. Oh god, I don't know if I caught that on camera. Shit. Check in. Yeah, look, this would have been the entrance. $1,000 table. Do you reckon they had a 1,000-year-old table in there? Oh my god, there's just shit jumping everywhere. Yeah, that's the old bar slash restaurant, I reckon. And it's all gated off. There's the front gates. It's all gated off over there. Right, I'm gonna get out of here. Yeah, it's a little something for you. Good morning. So it's 7 AM. Come down the beach. It is so quiet here, so nice. Look how clear that water is this morning. It's literally immaculate this morning. Wow. That abandoned hotel is there. Right, you ain't gonna believe this, right, but I just lost my key. I had it in my pocket when I went for a swim in the sea. Man, that was one of the worst moments ever. No joke, I looked for it for like an hour. I asked the bar staff, can I borrow a small snorkel kit? And they didn't have any. So like 4 times I went back in the sea to look for these keys. Everything was going through my brain. What an absolute idiot. So yeah, this has to be someone looking over. I found it in the sea. After like an hour of looking, it was in the sea and I fucking saw it, and it was like far out. It wasn't unexplainable. Honestly, the emotional roller coaster I just been on, phenomenal. Anyway, I'm going back for a shower and just relax and calm down for a... Look at you! Oh look. Hello. Fuck. That one wants me. Fucking hell, man. I'm not hanging around them too long, like. Did you see that? Hello. Oh, you're a nice boy, aren't you? You brought me a leaf. Oh. Oh. That's nice of you. You alright, boy? Who's a good boy then? Who's a good boy then? That's it, yeah. Yeah, I was just looking at this anyway, because it looks abandoned as fuck. Can't actually even see. Probably don't get many visitors either, do you? You're so friendly. Oh. See you then, boy. See you later. I like these cool little waterfalls. Am I going to drive through this one now? This one's a lot deeper, you know. Oh, no problem. Right, check this beach out then. It's so bright I can't even see right now. Oh, it's warm. Warm as fuck. What for you? Hey, what do you reckon of that? Can you hear that? Just look at that. So sick. Get my knee down. Just gonna stop off at this place where I ate yesterday because it was a lovely pad thai and it was really cheap as well. Are you doing food? Oh, thank you. Spot anyway, right next to the sea. So good. So that's the chicken pad thai I had yesterday. Thank you. Yeah, anyway, so that pad thai and that coke was 100 baht, which is £2.20. Oh man, fair play to you. And he had a smile on his face. Probably because he's living next to that. Oh fuck. It's a bit rough this bit. Oh. God, there ain't much road left here. I'd get up on the pegs if I had any. Look at that for a view. Wow. Ooh, I gotta look where I'm riding now. Oh. Ho 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 ho. Yeah, perfect road here. God. Someone's been down here. There's ribbons tied. They don't want to get lost. Yeah! That was a massive cobweb I just practically inhaled. Look at that, that's another crossable river I think. I don't know if we're gonna attempt that one though. Yeah, there's a pipe. We can't. Oh my god, that is sketch. Look how deep that is. If I lose that, the ped's gone. Yeah, it's as slippy as I thought it would be. Wow! And we can't get up there anyway. It's full of moss. Whoa! Whoa! Might have to dab on the way back. Whoa! Whoa, this is gonna be the fun part. Oh, oh, oh. That was sick. Right, let's have a little look down here then. That, another old pool. You can get the whip down here. Holy shit, look what just landed in between my legs. What the actual fuck is that? It's huge, it is huge. Mate, what? Is it a moth? Is it a butterfly? I don't know. Do they bite? Fuck, I'm gonna have to move. He's literally bullied me out of my spot. Oh. Fuck me. Imagine I landed on my head.